Jennifer here at the library, and we have just gotten a whole bunch of books in, and we're going to see what we've got. Kind of fun because it's like Christmas. We're going to open up some books. So this is Cody, our acquisitions clerk. He's going to help out too. So, okay, let's see what's in this one. Dig into it. Right off the bat, I can see some fun stuff for people, right? Delicious dinners. That looks really good. Folk art cross stitch. Oh, those are cute. We've got some fun stuff. The history of democracy has yet to be written. 100 things we've lost to the internet. This is your destiny. Using astrology to manifest your best life. Machiavelli for women. Oh, I better read this one. Oh my gosh. Travels with George. Nathaniel Philbrick. He's a really good historical writer. True Raiders. Oh, look, this is kind of an adventure book. Awesome. It's really cool to see what we get in these boxes every month. We've got Lydia's. The Doyen of Italian Cooking right here. We've got some cross stitch. Inspirational cross stitch. Oh, those are really cute. Oh, look, we've got a bunch of memoirs right here. Nick Offerman, Melissa Milano. We've got some essay books by Rebecca Solnit. That's cool. Voices from the Pandemic, very timely. Oh, this is a memoir of life after brain damage, the night the lights went out. That kind of sounds interesting. We've got some books about society. We've got Thinking Better. We've got Nice White Ladies, I'm sure. White Borders, about immigration. We've got Those We Throw Away Are Diamonds, A Refugee Search for Home, another really cool memoir it looks like. Oh, we've got stuff on beef. That's awesome. A History of Xenophobia. Only the Rich Can Play, some political books here. Smile, The Story of a Face. Oh, that sounds really cool. Mental Fitness. Oh, maybe I should put this one on hold for myself today. Notable Native People. Kind of a graphic novel, it looks like. Oh, the new Trisha Yearwood cookbook. Chronicles of a Cairo Bookseller. Ooh, first of all, you had me at book. And then it's in Egypt. Wow! Who Says I Can't? Looks like a biography of a football player or a coach. Poetry, Goldenrod by Maggie Smith. Not the Maggie Smith you're thinking of, but can we talk about Israel? ER Nurses. Oh, this is the new James Patterson one. Ooh, this is going to be good. Rick Bragg, if you've never read him, you might want to. Oh, also Phoebe Robinson. She's another good essayist. So a couple of really great essay books. Moon Cycle Cookbook. Little Pieces of Hope. Oh, look at how cute that is. Pleasure, a celebration of pleasures of life. 1% Better. How God Works. Greatest true crime stories. Thanks, Cody. A Darkroom in Glitterball City. Ooh, that sounds kind of fun. That's in the true crime area. American Made. Oh, Stevie Van Zandt. March at Midnight. Oh, the new one about Anthony Bourdain. That should be a good one. Decluttering. The Rogues Gallery, The Birth of Modern Policing and Organized Crime in Gilded Age New York. Oh, that one looks kind of fascinating. Peter Thiel and Silicon Valley, and Omar Sharif. Kind of interesting. Well, that's a lot of the books that we took out today, so I'm sure they're going to be ready and on the shelf for you guys within a week, and can't wait to get to them.